Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth. So in this tutorial I'll be learning how to make this chef hat, or you can call it a kitchen cap. Okay, so I made this for a little child, but the same process is what you'll be using to make for any age range whatsoever, just adjustments in the size. Okay, for this simple tutorial we'll be making use of just these three fabrics you can see with me, and I'll be explaining what you need them for. Firstly, you need to cut out a flay, just the same way you cut out flay for your blouse. That's the 60-degree flay. So that's the same way you'll be cutting this out. So I folded this once and I folded it the second time again, so which means what I folded is in 4 places now. All right, so just go ahead now and plot out 10.5 inch radius of 10.5 inch. Okay, just the same way you plot it out for your 360-degree flay. I just measured 10.5 inch to get a perfect circle. So once I'm done getting this perfect circle, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out at that point there now. So once you're done cutting it out, just at one part of your flay, you just want to open it up by 180, then slit it, go in by 2.5 like you see me do now, then slit it open. This part is where you'll be making a slit. Just stop at that 2.5 inch. Once you're done now, you just want to open it up completely. Then this is the mark where we made that, the point where we made that 2.5 inch. Okay, so now we are going to be finishing this up, making use of a strand. For this strand as well, I made the width 1.5 and I made the length 7 inches, or basically just measure what you have round. Okay, just like you see I'm trying to measure. When I was done, I got between 6.5 and 7 inches. So you can cut it, can make the length 9 inches and make the width 1.5, just something that can help you fold that down neatly. Okay, so I'm just pinning it all around now, just to help me achieve a neat finish at that point there. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it down, and once I was done sewing, this is what it looks like. So now we'll be pleating this now on a band I've cut out. But before pleating this, you need to fold it again by 180, then notch the middle so that once you're making your pleats, all your pleats are even. Okay, so you don't have it bulky on one side and the other side is not full. So for this band I'm going to be making use of, I made it the length of 36 and the width is 8 inches, so folded into 2 give me 4 inch. Okay, so firstly you want to also fold the band into 2, then notch the middle part, both the upper part and the down part, notch them. So you want to pick just one side of the band and you'll be pleating it on just one side. So make sure that the notch you made on that flay matches up with the notch you made on this band. Okay, so just go ahead now and pleat. But before we pleat, you want to measure around what the head circumference or the radius you are working with. So because I'm making this for a little child, the radius I'm working with is 20 inches. So 20 inches divided by 2 gave me 10 inch on 2 sides. So from that middle point of the band, I went in by 10 inch to the left side and 10 inch to the right side. Okay, so I'll be making my pleats from that middle point I notched, and I'll stop at the 2.5 inch slit we made. From the other side as well, also from the middle point, and stop at that 2.5 inch slit we made. So I'll be sewing this down by half of an inch. You also want to make sure that I'm placing the right side of the flay to the right side of the band. Okay, so once I was done sewing it down, this is what I achieved. So now we are going to be finishing it up with the other side of the band. Okay, and I'm doing this way just so that all my sewings are well hidden. So you want to fold the band into 2 like you see now. You want to fold it this way and make sure it is even. Then you'll be sewing it down by half of an inch, but before you do, you can pin it down so that it will be easy for you to work on. So to neatly finish this up, you want to sew it down just like I've shown you. But when you start sewing, whatever sewing you are doing for this part stops where our pleating starts. Okay, so once you do this for this part, you also want to repeat the same thing on the other side of the band as well. Fold it into 2. Remember that the right side of the 2 band is meant to face each other, so you pin it down this way, sew it down by half of an inch, and also stop where the pleating starts. Okay, so I'll take this to my sewing machine now and show you and sew it and show you what it looks like. So now this is what I achieved once I was done. I'll just go ahead and turn this out now, but before you do, you want to notch the edges, okay, so that it lays flat once you turn it out. I'll just go ahead and turn this out now. At this point, if you've not liked this video, you are a suspect. Like the video, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and share this video. Your likes and your comments means a lot to me, and it helps in growing this channel, makes the YouTube algorithm know that we are doing something good here. Okay, so let's go back to our tutorial. I'm done turning it out now. So the remaining part of this, I'm just going to be taking half of an inch, folding it by half of an inch, and I'll be placing it on that rough edge. That's the pleating part that is left. Okay, remember I told you I'm actually doing this because I want it to be neat. You can even go ahead and iron that half of an inch down with your iron. Okay, you can press that half of an inch so it will be easier for you to work with, or you just pin it down just the same way you see me do. Okay, either way works perfectly. All we want to achieve is a neat kitchen cap, okay, without any thread dangling here or there. So just continue to fold this by half of an inch and continue to pin it down to conceal your sewing till you get to that end part there. So once you're done, take it to your sewing machine and sew it down, and we are done making our kitchen cap, or you can call it your chef hat. Easy as you see it. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comment section. I hope you found this video detailed and of course simple and easy to understand. If you are a new subscriber here, you're welcome to our channel. You're welcome. Do well to subscribe, turn on post notification bell so you get informed whenever we post a new video. Till the next one. Bye. I love you.